on. It has indeed been a wonderful event, graced by the who's who of the IRAS fraternity. However, all good things have to come to an end. But the end of a story is the new beginning for many others. On this note, I request Professor Accounts Management, IRIFM, Shri Sitaram Raju, to please give a formal vote of thanks and conclude the ceremony. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day.
Thank you, Surabhi. It gives me immense pride and satisfaction to present a vote of thanks for first All India-wide IRS Day celebrations, although it is a virtual one. Firstly, on behalf of all the serving officers of IRAS, I would thank Srimati Vijayakanth ma'am, former financial commissioner, other former financial commissioners and retired IRAS officers for attending this function at such short notice. I also request all retired FCs and retired IRAS officers to condone us for not giving time to speak on the meeting, as we are constrained on time for virtual meetings. On behalf of the officers at IRIFM, we thank Member Finance, Shri Naresh Salecha sir, for nominating IRIFM for conducting this IRAS Day 2020 function. Organizing this event of magnitude would have not been possible without the able guidance of our Director General Srimati Reena Ranjan ma'am and Director P. Sivaram Prasad sir. And IRIFM should give special credit to the senior officers of Railway Board, especially NP Pandey sir, who is AM Budget, and Srimati Dakshita Das ma'am, AM Finance, for their continuous guidance. And you have seen the video of the IRIFM. I would be failing in my duties had I not mentioned the contributions of all the previous financial commissioners, especially Manjula Rangarajan ma'am, Vijay Kumar sir, B.B. Verma sir, A.K. Prasad sir, and B.N. Mahapatra sir, Sanjay Mukherjee sir, Rajalakshmi Ravikumar ma'am, Sivakumaran sir, and Vasudevan sir, and others. And previous PD accounts, Anjali Goyal ma'am, P.V. Vaidalingam sir, and others. And from SCR, PFAs, Usha Ashok Kumar ma'am, Padmini Radhakrishnan ma'am, and Rajendra Kumar ma'am, and OSD IRIFM, P. Vijay Kumar sir, and then Dean IRIFM Purna M. Cherla, and the Director Smriti Verma ma'am, today towards bringing up IRIFM to this level. Thank you very much for lobbying for the idea and execution of IRIFM as a project. Please be kind to IRIFM and me in case we miss out mentioning of any of the officers' names here. I would also thank all the PFAs and other senior IRAS officers for attending this meeting on a Saturday afternoon. And my sincere apologies for some of the technical limitations that we have observed for not allowing some of the officers, because of we have reached all the capacity of around 350 officers. Lastly, I would also thank all our vivacious IRAS probationers, both 18 and 19 batches, Team IRIFM and the Team Railtel for extending all their support in organizing this event. Have a very good day. Please stay safe. Very happy IRS Day to all of you. Thank you.